All right. Hello, YouTube world. I come here today to bring another ICO review. Now, this review is about the titanium blockchain. And this review is going to be a little different because it has to do with a beginner's guide for those who are new into trying to make a passive income through cryptocurrency. Now, there's some ups and there's some downs in cryptocurrency. And one of the downs is exit scams. And, people just out here to have you put money in different platforms just to some waste your time or, just some to, get you all riled up or get you stimulated for if one failed, I know I'm going to chase after the next one, which is all good. It's all about business. But for the beginner, let's just go through some little red signs. Now, this is going to be real brief, but this is titanium, an ICO that is still going on. It's in the ICO stage, as I just said, and I'm just going to do a short review. But first, before I do a review, I want to put it up against another ICO called THORNCOIN. Now, THORNCOIN is a lending platform. This is a little different from a lending platform because this is more of a service, an infrastructure that we will get into. I'm going to do a small review on it, but this is just a beginner's guide on how to weed out what ICOs you should invest more heavily into and what ICOs you should pay less attention to. Now, notice the symbol for the titanium blockchain. And then when I go over to another ICO lending that is going on right now, notice the symbol. Titanium, see the symbol? THORNCOIN, see the symbol. Now, you want to ask yourself which one came first or which one just so happen to have a similar idea of, okay, let's use this symbol because as THORNCOIN, they state, they are straight and to the point. I did a review earlier yesterday saying, okay, this is a new ICO. It just came out and here's what I think about it for beginners. Now, if you're not a beginner, then you should already know what to look for when you're investing, or it's not really investing, it's speculating, because none of us know what's going to happen in this cryptocurrency platforms where they bring in a daily return of 1 to up to 5% a day. So, like I said in my previous YouTube video, is the THORNCOIN ICO platform ready or not? Because basically, I'm weighing it against the titanium. Should I invest in the THORNCOIN? Should I speculate in the titanium? You never know. You get to make your own point. So that's just one thing I want to point out. Yet again, let's see if we can make it a little bigger. It won't let us make it a little bigger. But what it will let us do, it will let us see the white paper. White paper is very important when you're just beginning to learn how to invest in these ICOs. So notice THORNCOIN symbol looks very similar to titanium. Now you got to ask yourself, which one came first? Was it THORNCOIN or was it titanium? Symbols look very simple. So just a small review over titanium blockchain. From what I've gathered, it's an infrastructure service that, as you see, it's in its beginning stages of the token sale, and it has a lengthy time. But as you see, token sale started Q1 of 2018. They have a business plan development, updating plan release, testing. Now, one good thing you want to know about this about this ICO Titanium blockchain is testing. Testing means most likely it has a product. In most ICOs, you do want to have a product because if it have a product, chances are it has longevity. Something to weigh up against, the lending platforms at the moment that's hot and trending that will get you a passive return. That is a almost 99% guaranteed thing. And then there's nothing 100%. So I say 99% there's guaranteed. These ICOs, there's many ICOs and lending and platforms and staking and airdrops. And there are so many ways to make passive income in the cryptocurrency. But, one thing that I do to see if a new ICO is going to stack up against these new ICOs, against the traditional ICOs in this particular field, is how does this ICO compare to the best ICO that's out? Now, I know of 5 platforms that's paying daily, and they're doing great. They have their ups and downs, but they're paying, and they make it to the stage of an internal, external lending platform. Some doesn't even get past the ICO stage, and if it do get past the ICO stage, it takes so long for it to get to the internal or external stage, which is where you make your money. You make your money in lending too, but you need these tokens, which is what you buy in an ICO, to appreciate quickly. And that's what they do in this particular cryptocurrency platform. These lending platforms, I can't just say lending platforms, these platforms that allow you to lend, stake, trade on internal and external platforms. These is the ICOs that you really just have to be like, okay, what's the best and how can I compare this to the best? This is an ICO that it seemed like it's going to test the time. That's just my opinion. I did my backup. I did my research, so I have a real good understanding of what ICOs is really going to do. And one thing I look at is how long does it take from an ICO beginning stage to make it to either its lending stage, its external stage, or its internal stage. That is where you will see that 1% daily interest payout, which is where your passive income comes from. So just looking at this, they plan on hitting the marketplace, which is, of course, proved you have a product. They plan on having a core platform IaaS release. I have to look that up and see what that means, but I think it's a information as a service. Out of revision, launch with their service infrastructure as a service. Launch their service and testing again. After testing, marketplace, which is what you want your ICO, or from my understanding, whatever you are putting your money into to hit a marketplace, because that means it has longevity. That means that if you is going to use this ICO money for passive income, it hit the marketplace, that's going to happen. That's going to help. Out of revision, I have to look that up. Not sure. Launch a hackathon. I'm familiar with a hackathon, but this is just a review for beginners of things to look for when you're investing in either lending platforms, staking platforms, and platforms that has internal or external trading exchanges in them, so you can receive that daily interest to make you have a profit or a passive income for the year of 2018. And as you see, one thing as a beginner, you always want to look at a team. You definitely really want to understand if these platforms have a team. Titanium blockchain, this is showing you the team. Michael Stollery, Richard Silver, they have somebody that they could put in front. I'm not going to go through all the team. I'm just showing you things to look for in the ICO. Basically stacking this ICO up against the um, THORNCOIN platform that just came out as the lending platform. And this tells you about our team beginners. You want to look at this stuff. The service is that they offer. You want to read this stuff in the web page. The future. This is they plans. You know, they telling you what they think of the future. They say the future is now, and of course, you know, it goes into telling you, explaining like what they think. This is ICO reviews. I believe this is just they're letting you know who has spoke upon them, and which is, if the more other people speak about you, the more value you get out there. And the more value you get out there, of course, that means you have credibility. You want to have credibility in the ICO stages, because that's going to be like the life or death. Then here we go. I'm just going back to the roadmap. One thing you definitely want to look for in all ICOs, especially in this particular field, where I choose to do reviews and invest if I feel like I'm investing, even though I'm not an advisor. I'm not anybody that has any type of position to tell you what you should invest in, what you shouldn't invest in. I just do reviews, and my reviews, what I'm going to notice, is going to be based off of the new platforms that's coming out. How do they stack against the best platforms that they come out? Because there have to be some type of comparison, and there's comparison that's pretty much going to tell you if it's going to make it or not. So this was a nice little review from my standpoint for beginners, you know, in my understanding of, you know, if a platform is ready or not. That's what this is. These reviews is about. Is these platforms ready or not? So, as I said, look at all this stuff. Another important thing is contact. When you see a new ICO, I would tell you to contact them immediately as a beginner. Just ask them the smallest questions. And when you ask them small questions, it gets you a feel of what type of field you're in if you're trying to make passive income. It really helps. I guarantee you that. The more you can read about ICO, such as titanium, blockchain infrastructure service, the more it's going to tell you. The more it's going to tell you, the more you have a better informed decision making choice. Like, you really get to make the choice of, do I want to invest in this? Do I want to speculate with this? Or do I want to just probably move on over to the next one? Titanium blockchain, as I say, I don't leave any referral links, but for those who would like me to leave a referral link or do a review of whatever platform that you just given a second thought about, leave a comment, like, dislike. That all helps me. Share, because your friends may want to make passive incomes, or they may have an idea about, okay, you know, this is a pretty good field. It's going to bring me in some type of income. This field of ICOs and platforms that pay you a daily interest for passive income, it's only going to be here for, I can't say how long it's going to be here for. You know, they've been around forever. Now it's just more to the future. So, as I end my video, to all my YouTubers, like, comment, subscribe. And if you would like me to do a review, or you would like to know my opinion, or you would like me to do research on whether you think your platform is going to do well or not, let me know. I have no problem with getting back to you. I'm pretty prompt when I get any comments or email. So, as I did, this is titanium blockchain, and we're going to look at, as I say, look at the symbol. This is the symbol. And then THORNCOIN. I did this other symbol. So which one is ready? Did any one of them copy off the other? We never know. So like, comment, subscribe, dislike, and share. You all have a nice day.